That movie Jack Frost was PG. And looky, we got a new Beanie Balls. This is in the background. That's the Giants Beanie Balls. It's not like the other one. Wait. That Beanie Balls is different than the Giants Beanie Balls that this was the football. Here's you bring the 1 Genius movie. The movie itself, kind of based on the show itself. I thought this was going to be going through disc. Here's the disc for the movie itself. It has disc art. Something that I wanted to see. The disc art. Something that I was going to expect. And it got disc art for sure.